Hello everyone, we're here again for another 10K Yuj Tarot reading. Whatever the cards lay out will be the message for you right at this moment. All right, let's do it. All right, we got 4 cards today. So this is a message for every person that is working on themselves. So you have a warning card here, and it is a skull and crossbones, but that doesn't mean what traditional skull and crossbones mean. A warning is something that happens before something, which means you have a chance to change. So ultimately, we want everyone to be the inner tree of life within themselves. So this means if you've been working on something, or you've been working on yourself or a business or a new venture, you have to be continuously cautious of things that might hold you back potentially from growing into your true self. This could be the talk of others. This could be the negative talk within yourself. That's why the throat chakra is here. Because if that is happening, then you have to express yourself to deter that. It's all about self-expression. So there is no badness. Everything is neutral in the 10K Yuj Tarot. This is just an outline on what you need to work on, that you have time to change before things unfold in a way that you aren't going to like. So you can change that. Everything is mutable. And then you have here DNA, which happens when you fully go through that transformation. You change your DNA, you change your ancestral patterns that you've been working on, that it is the job to continue to work on, to banish and to get that away and make new habits and new legacy for you. So this is a very positive reading of self-expression, of growth, and of positive change in life through the expression of the throat and the heart. So we'll pull another card over the warning. Wow, very good with the see no evil. So when the see no evil and the warning sign comes up, it means that there's things in life that you just have to not pay attention to. Groups of people that you need to get away from in order to have a good vibration flowing through you. See no evil. Seeing past the illusion of life to get to your goal, changing DNA. All right, we got the true Godhead here, which means once you achieve all of this, true Godhead is the inner confidence within. Also the ability to make things happen and to see situations as you see the third eye is open here. So remember to ground yourself, keep going on your desires, don't let the past hold you back, and express, because that's what's going to determine your future. And then you have the ancient winds to clear everything with the elements. Hope you enjoyed this reading. Contact for more 10K Yuj Tarot custom.